The first strategy is to personalize the news that they give you, and the second strategy is to dramatize the news that they give you. Now, in the first strategy, when the media personalizes the news that it offers you, delivers you, it does not give you the full context. It only gives you that angle that they want you to see. They only give you the perspective that they want you to hear. They don't give you the full context of what's going on. And obviously, when you only see one side of the event, you will process it differently. You will interact with it differently. The media is excellent in providing you one angle of any story. The angle that they want you to hear, because they want a reaction from you. And how do they get their desired reaction? By presenting you that specific angle that they want you to hear. You know, oftentimes in the media, just as a very small example, you hear about many of these, people who come out in the media to denounce the religion of Islam. They tell you, look at this backwards faith, which implements segregation between the males and females. When you go to their mosques, you see them separated. The males are sitting on one side of the hall, whereas the females are sitting on the other side of the hall. The way they present you this information is such that the average viewer thinks that the reason why Muslims do this is because women have a lower standard, because women have a lower place in society.